mermaid waving? Hi, my name is Susan Quinnell. I'm the Program Director of Friends of Citrus Grief Services. And this is Suzanne. She's one of our board members. On the back here, we have Ellen the mermaid. We are here today cruising around Kings Bay and Crystal River to invite you to come to our second annual Kings Bay Heron Hop Decorate Your Land Yacht Golf Cart Poker Run.
Woohoo! Gonna be fun.
It's going to be Saturday, April 23rd. We're going to be doing the same stops that we did last year. So we'll be at the Plantation Inn, we'll be at the Waterfront Social, we're going to go to Lollygaggers, we'll be at the Crab Plant, and we're ending up at Norton's. There's going to be silent auctions, there's going to be raffles, there's going to be prizes, there's going to be opportunities to just have a whole lot of fun. So on Saturday, April 23rd, we're getting registered at the little property right next to the Plantation Inn on the corner of Isla Mirada and Fort Island Trail. Come on out. Registration starts at 10:30. Come and join us and help us with our fundraiser. We are a nonprofit organization that provides grief services to anyone who has experienced a loss, adults and children. And we offer these services at no cost. So in order for us to continue to be able to do that, we need your support. So come out and join us and have a wonderful day on April 23rd. Thank you. For more information, call us at 249-1470. Thank you.
Y'all come out. We're gonna have fun.
Hold on, Stu!